Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering how to keep your Samsung or any of the Android devices from overheating, in today's video, we are going to go ahead and fix the issue. If it is already hot, you can take a minute, immediate steps to cool it down safely. So the first thing you can do is you can just go ahead and turn on airplane mode. You can access your quick settings for that, and you should be finding option for flight mode. You can tap on it in order to turn it on and turn it on as well. And that should disable all the wireless functions, including the cellular Bluetooth and Wi Fi, which reduces the workload on your phone's processor and allows it to cool faster. You can also turn it back on after some while, and the next step you can do is you can just go ahead and close all the running applications. So from the recent app, you can just go ahead and swipe the application that has been recently used and clear all the apps to ensure that no background processes are stressing the processor. So you can just go ahead and do so. And if you're charging your phone, you can unplug it and unplug your charger because charging generates heat, and using the phone while charging can significantly increase its temperature. You can also use a power saving mode. For that, go to settings, open it up, and from there you may just go ahead, scroll down from the given options and look out for the option for battery and device care and tap on it. And here just go ahead and look out for power saving mode. If that option is available, you can look out for ultra data saving as well, and then you can just go and allow the necessary permissions. Similarly for battery, go ahead and tap on battery, and from there you can just go ahead and turn on the power saving mode. Tap on the option right beside it, and that should turn on the power saving mode and confirm it. You can also turn on this option called Protect Battery that will extend the lifespan of your battery and limit the maximum charge to 85%. And that is it. And also ensure that your softwares and apps are updated to the latest version. Head over to settings for that and open it up. From that, you may just scroll down and look out for software update and find it up and update if there is any kind of update available, because that often includes bug fixes. And if we efficiency improvements that can prevent apps from overworking your phone's processor. And that is it. For now, you can try out the solutions and see if that fixes the issue and calms down your phone from overheating. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.